Hi guys, it's Mike here. Today I'm back for Kaline Design and I'm using Kaline Design products and WOW embossing powder glow in the dark because Kaline Design sells those as well on their website, but you can get them elsewhere as well, of course. I'm starting to prep a panel with embossing ink. You can either use the Dolbar or ink pad, but my ink pad is a bit dry. And then the WOW glow in the dark. You can see it's dry because it doesn't stick everywhere. It's a bit patchy, but I intend to do 3 layers, maybe 2, but 3 was what I ended up on, and I didn't film all of that because you know how it goes. And then I'm hoping that the thicker layer will glow better, especially in my house. You can see from the beginning picture it didn't show up very well. My house doesn't get dark enough. There's too much street lanterns and door stuff. Anyway, I'm coloring it with my markers. I'm using a blend of Copics and Spectrum Noir, and I'm using the Lily of the Valley Digi. You can get that on Etsy if you're interested. It's called Boy Astronaut, or Astronaut Boy. And he of course has made a rocket out of boxes, and the top I pretended that he wrapped that in tin foil. That gridded bit that's underneath the bunny might have been foil as well, don't know, but I call it that box color. And he's also just wearing normal sweaters and pants and probably wellies, but I colored those silver. You can have silver wellies, I think. You should have. Anyway, I'll see you after the coloring. Enjoy! So the coloring is done, and I thought I would tackle my glow-in-the-dark panel. I want to die cut or punch stars out of them, and so I put some double-sided sticky tape behind the panel, and that way they turn into stickers, because I think with all the pointy bits that might be easier to attach to a card. And I have this hand punch and little stars. I found punching them was a little bit easier, although the paper is really thick and the punch gets stuck, but when you tap it once or twice it will come out. And I have to die cut it strategically, just because there's some dust. Every time you put stuff back in the pot, you know, you might get some pollution, I would say. And I forgot that I also want to put a happy birthday on there. I'm making this card for a boy that turned 6 last week, and he couldn't celebrate it because of the situation in the world at the moment. So his mother put a appeal on Facebook, and of course I don't mind making a card. Had to ask what 6-year-olds like, though. I would like this when I was 6. So, but yeah, it's either dinosaurs or cars and Frozen, but I don't have any Frozen stuff. So these are Carlijn Design gefeliciteerd, and it says have a nice day, but you can use whatever you have, of course. I'm stamping that with VersaFine Clear Nocturne ink, and I actually use the second sized gefeliciteerd. So not the biggest, not the smallest, just the one in medium sized. Yeah. And you can see it's quite hard, and I'm pretty lucky, I guess, that the handle didn't break, but there you go. Some I made stick out, so I cut those off, and you can see it does glow. It's just very hard to capture. And all that's left to do is just put it on a card base. And I'm using double-sided tape runner. It is one in glow, I think. But that's my card finished, so I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you again soon. Bye!